Okay, we are live. Yes, we are. What's up, everyone? I am happy to be back. It was a good weekend, chill weekend, and we are back to work. Hell yeah. Let me see if everything is good on the stream. Yes, let's go. So last Friday I was working on some stuff on the battle system, right? I want to squash a bug here. It's this bug that's been bugging me for a while now. I didn't know this bug was here, so I am gonna try to find a solution to that one. It must be very simple. It's not a battle type of bug. It's more of a sequence of events, story type of bug from the game. So let me check here. The thing is that I enter here, I talk to a guy, I come out, and I should be able to go back there, but I can't. So let me see if I have a save game here, or maybe let's save the game. Let me kill this enemy so I can try to do the save to try to replicate the bug. If you're watching, let me know in the chat. Also, do not forget to wishlist my game Spaceman Memories and to follow and subscribe. Okay, let's see. This one, yeah, we'll use this one just to get rid of the enemy. So I can save, I can talk to the guy, go to the place I'm talking about. Oh yeah, I am not level 2, so maybe this one is out of my depth. This enemy should be out of my depth right now. Maybe let's see if I can figure it out. If not, I'll just go and change the stats of the enemy. I should have a debug or like set the stats of the enemy to 0. Yeah, I am gonna add that debug right now. Yeah, dude, it killed me. Let's add the debug. Okay, let's see. Main game instance. Yeah. Okay. Ad break. Oh, that was quick. Okay, no, I think we are done with the ad break. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. I gotta like close all of these tabs. This is a mess. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. So let's add it here. Debug key. I don't know which letter O. Yeah, let's say letter O. And debug key letter O should set no. This would be on the battle system, not on the instance. Yeah. Let's see. I'm passing the value. Yo, Pete, what's up, dude? He's back. I am back, dude. I told you I was gonna take breaks on the weekends, but I am back. What about you? Are you back in the gym? Yo, are you messing with KiboBot? I am not, dude. He is good. KiboBot is good. I know he's suspicious to you. You created that conspiracy theory on the Spaceman Memories community, and people have started to believe that shit. They don't trust the bot anymore. So I'm trying to figure that out, dude, so people can have confidence on the bot. Like when the game demo released, you totally killed the vibe, dude. What's up, dude? What are you up to? How was the weekend? Did you go out? Did you go to the gym today? How is the diet going? I am back. I am back in the diet. Didn't have a diet like weekend, but I am back. What about you? Okay, let me see. When I am getting the value of the... Oh, you went in and see a house? What type of house? Oh, this one? Let me check it out. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, dude. If the homeowner association is bad, yeah, just walk away. Only Han says you fully trust KiboBot. I don't know, dude. The guy may be sus. When did these conspiracy theories start? Dude, this is a nice house. This is what Bit was looking in the weekend at this house. They have a shitty homeowner association, so yeah, not for you, my dude. Only Hans, thank you for coming to the stream while you're busy. I really appreciate it. That is really cool. So yeah, I fully trust Kiba, but maybe he's a suspicious robot. I don't know, dude. It's interesting that someone like Bit was like, is this a bad or a good bot? It may be the vibe of the year 2026 and us distrusting AIs and robots, right? So who knows? What's up? Are you driving only, Hans? Beat says, so I walked away. I don't think all HOAs are necessarily bad, but I read the rules for this one and yeah, it was really bad. Dude, this homeowner association shit, it's like the stupidest kind of thing that doesn't exist in the rest of the world. Like, it's just insane. That concept is foreign to me. Like, you are not gonna fucking decide what I can do with my property. And even here in the third world, dude. Yeah, it's just a foreign concept. I find it crazy. I learned about it in TV shows and movies because the concept doesn't exist in other countries. Only Han says you just got home. Oh shit, are you gonna eat? What's the vibe for the night? It says the rule said they could enter your property without your consent. Yeah, dude. Yeah. That sounds like our home, not your home. Yeah, you have a throat, gosh. That says otherwise. Okay, dude. Yeah. American dynamism, American freedom at work here. Yeah, dude. Like, what the hell? Yeah. Dude, we don't have a homeowner association here where I live in my country. That concept doesn't exist. There's like associations of neighbors and they like send information to the other one on what the vibe is of the place. Like, I don't know, dude, but it's not about placing rules in effect for how people manage their homes. Okay, let me see. So when I construct, I get the player, yeah, and then I set it. I think I can do it in the instance. Yeah, because I'm getting it directly. Okay, so debug keys here, key O. We're gonna say keyboard O. Okay, so if it's pressed, let me see, enemy stats set, current enemy health set, no, current enemy health, set it to 0. Yeah, so we can debug this. Onlyhan says, yeah, we're gonna eat risotto and baked vegetables. I heard about the risotto. Yeah, little birdie told me about the risotto. Hell yeah, dude. Send pictures. I would be happy to see the risotto, because I cannot have risotto today, because dude, I'm trying to get back on the diet. But risotto is good. It's been a while since I had risotto. I don't know how to make it. I've just had it from other people. Yeah, cooking it. Yeah, that's interesting, right? Yo, so Bit, I am sorry, dude. That was a shitty homeowner association and shit. Yeah, it is what it is. Bit, we've got rewards now. I am starting to add rewards to the channel. So these are the two new ones. People can redeem them and see me do kind of stupid shit. I'm not gonna be dancing like last year or stuff, but we are starting to get this channel back into life. Okay, this one's gonna be debug key. Let's see if this works. It says redeem cast spell to turn nerdy into a trash can. Okay, dude. Piece of shit, this guy. I cannot believe, dude, you did this to me. Not cool, dude. Not cool. Let me turn myself into a trash can. Okay, give me like 2 seconds. I gotta like automate this, but it's quick. It's quick. Let's see. Yeah. Let me know if you can see it. Can you see me? Yeah, you can. Yeah, so I'm a trash can now. I'll be a trash can for a couple minutes while we keep working and talking. Dude, I knew it. I knew you were gonna do this very quickly. Okay, so let me press O. Yes. Shut up, dude. Okay, let me see. Scan. No, this is not working. Oh, let me see. Let's see if it did anything. Yeah, I think it's gonna have to be on the local health of the battle system, not on the instance, because I'm just getting the value at the beginning. Yeah, no, that did nothing. Only hand, stop laughing. It's not funny. Beat says, yo, this is inspired by that one indie game. Which one? Which indie game? I got these avatars from Etsy. I didn't know this was based on an indie game. I've got a couple ones, and I'm gonna keep adding as time goes by, the weeks go by, and I come back to streaming. But I didn't know this was inspired on an indie game. Which one this would be? Yeah, remind me. Which is that one? That would be interesting to know. Okay, no. So this one's gonna be here. Let me see. Let's cut this one, and we're gonna set it here. Enemy health. Okay, let me find the variable local health. Yeah, this one, set local health to 0. Yeah, I think this does the trick, so we can keep working. It's oh, Kingdom of the Dump. Maybe it's not, but this is what I thought of. Okay, I had heard of Kingdom of the Dump. I know what you're talking about. No, it does look different, I think. Yeah, the thing is that they are both trash cans, pixel art trash cans, right? So that maybe is why they look alike. But yeah, it's not the exact one, because I wouldn't expect for an artist on Etsy to be selling assets specifically from a game. But yeah, but it's fun, dude. I like my trash can looking face. Only Hans says, how are you, Bit? Long time. Yeah, long time. Long time, Nerdy. That's why Bit wasn't here, because Nerdy didn't come back. Bit says, man, football is starting before long, can't wait. which is your, by the way, life sucks. That's what you answer to only hands. Life sucks. Dude, we don't gotta be that negative. We're gonna chill down here, people. Yeah. Let's not send things to shit so early, Beatus. Life goes on. Oh yeah. That does make life suck to think about your mom, dude. Yeah, I'm very sorry about that one. Yeah, I hadn't heard, I hadn't read that one. I did know about this one. I had talked to Beat before. Yeah, dude, I am very, very sorry about that. It's not working. It's not working. Okay, let me see. Is it gonna work now? Is the O doing the trick? No, it's not. Oh, I'm stupid. This is changing my health, not the enemy health. Yeah, I set it to 0. Yeah, I am stupid. Only Hans says, yeah, I'm also sorry, dude. Yeah, heavy shit, but as you say, life goes on, and we hope you can pick yourself up and move forward, dude, and get a nice life. Yeah, been in the gym and stuff. Yeah, he told me, working to lose 60 pounds. Hell yeah, dude, you can do it, dude. The first ones are very, very hard, and you've already lost 10 pounds. So I would say at this point, it's a matter of time if you just keep doing what you are doing, dude. Okay, let's see if this does the trick now. Let's press 0. And health should be 0 on this. Yes, there it is. Okay. That does let me defeat. And I can continue on the story. Only says that's great. Sounds like you're doing good things for yourself during this hard time. Yeah, the guy is. He's really doing the hard work, right? To get out of an emotional hole. Yeah, that's life, dude. It's crazy, dude. I am talking all of this profound existential stuff while I am being a trash can. You shouldn't have turned me into this shit, dude. No process volume. Okay, no, that is from the other level. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, you gotta be positive, dude. Yeah, just keep going. That's the way it is. Yeah, make it happen. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Let's fucking go. As a trash can, I can tell you that you just gotta keep going, moving forward. That is an honest advice from a trash can looking man. I think 3 minutes are gone, so I am gonna go back to being myself. Shut up, Beat. Stop laughing. Okay, we defeated the enemy. And this is the bug that I'm trying to replicate. Let's see. I'm gonna talk to this guy. Yeah. Okay, so that should enable me going to that place, being able. And let's see. Let me go out. Okay, so this is good. It's afterwards, after I talk to him. Sometimes it doesn't let me go back. I am trying to replicate it and understand why that is happening. Yeah, I think it can be connected to the quest update. There it is. It updated the quest. And I cannot replicate the bug, dude. Yeah, like what? Oh, maybe. I know. Maybe it's when I'm coming from a save game. Okay, let me try this. We're gonna save. So, yeah, it's from the save game. Pete, what did you have for dinner? What was your healthy fit dinner? Okay. Where the fuck is my controller, dude? I need my controller, because if not, I cannot press the load game menu. Okay, give me a sec, people. I'm gonna find my controller. Okay, we are back. It says I had a salad bowl from Chipotle. Hell yeah. I've never had Chipotle, dude. We don't have that here. And it does sound like the type of food I would like. We were talking about spicy the other day, right? Can you get like really spicy stuff in Chipotle? Fajita veggies, black beans, lettuce, and cheese. How much does that cost? It sounds really good, dude. Okay, let's load this. Yeah, I think this is it. This is something that it's not getting saved. So we are on this quest. That is correct. We should check if the quest... Yeah, there it is. That's the bug. Okay, so let me see this one. This one a child of another one. And I gotta know like which quest it is. This template, yeah. Okay, we're gonna create... Yeah. So... the gameplay quest number bigger than 4. Okay. I already had done the code that I was gonna do. Okay, so let me open the character. Okay, top down. It says in chicken, you had some chicken. Your stuff is not spicy. It was $12. Not too bad, right? It's not spicy enough for you there, Tulio. It says only hands. Yeah, so it's like a toned down type of... Just when I hear the word Chipotle, you can have really spicy stuff with the Chipotle concept, which is a Mexican sauce, right? Like spicy sauce. And I've had spicy Chipotle stuff, like not from the restaurant, but the Mexican type of thing. Yeah, so I would have thought it was more spicy. That's interesting. I would like to have it either way. Okay, let me see. So this one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So I think this one should be 3. Okay, so let me load. Let's see if this is working like what I think it should be doing. Okay, can we go in? No, we cannot. It says not Chipotle is an Americanized change. I would not say it is authentic. Yeah, it's like that, dude. It's like that, like Taco Bell, right? They are Americanized concepts. It's fine. They are adapted. They work in their market. But yeah, I do like spicy, like type of spicy that can be painful. Okay, this is cool. Quick reload. Let's reload. So if I'm at that quest, which is after talking to him, I should be able to go. I think we've squashed the bug. That was really simple. It was just one fucking number. No. What? Okay, no. Okay, fits quest. Yeah. So it. Let me see. Not end. Yeah. If it's equal or less than 3. Which one is 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. No, 1. Oh, it's less. Okay. Would be 2. Okay, let me try that again. Only hand says I read that one. It says you want to go to like an authentic Mexican place or something like that. Yeah, it's not authentic, but Tulio would love it. I think I would love it because only Hans knows that I love American food and their concepts. She hates me for this, but I love it. I love American food and the crazy type of international chains we've got because of the concept of American fast food. Only Hans likes more Latin American food, and I do like more the I don't even know how we don't hate each other. We like all the opposite shit. Yeah. But she hates me because I like the American food more than the Latin American food. She does hate me because of that. That is a fact, people. If you're watching, do not forget to follow and subscribe because that is a fact. Okay, let me see. That works. I'm on. What quest? Let me see. Which quest is that? 101, 2, 3. Okay. No, cannot go back in. Let's do the quick reload. Did that number fix it? I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. So we can go back to the battle system. Okay, that was the number. Let's talk to this guy so it updates the quest. And I suppose, yeah, the bug should be squashed now. That was easy. Dude, I've been squashing the stupidest bugs all throughout these last few streams. It's been like 4 days of streaming already, and all the bugs I had been and features, small features, details, maybe I was just procrastinating. I've done them. Maybe it's, I was talking with Grimeshine earlier, maybe it's having a camera in your face, dude. It makes you feel accountable and you do the shit that you were procrastinating. So yeah, I will be coming back to streaming. Okay, let's see. This is, I think we are good. This fixes it. Which is quest number 2? 0, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, so equal. It shouldn't be. It should be greater than 2. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, if it's equal to 2. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it could let me go in. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Let's see. Let's do a quick reload. Let's see. How's the music tonight? Is the volume okay? By the way. Yeah. Okay, I'm on this one. No! It's not working. It's broken again. Broke it. Okay. So we are... This is question 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. But I don't... Yeah. Let me see. Oh, what? When did I say 0? Yeah. Bigger than 2. I'm stupid. Only Hanses had no idea there was music. Oh, there's no background music? You cannot hear it? Maybe it's the streaming software. Please let me know if it muted. I think it's there. Yeah, I can see the bar, the audio bar on the streaming software. Please let me know if the volume is okay. Damn, dude. How many minutes it's been without music? 28 minutes. Can hear the music? Fuck me, dude. I thought you people were listening to the music. What the hell? Dude, I can see the audio source. They're happening. So while I think it is back. I think the music is back. Please let me know if it's back. Turn that shit up. I did turn it on. It was some bullshit from macOS. Yeah, I think the music should be back. Dude, it's... Okay, I will not argue about the streaming setup and all the issues I've been encountering these last few days. That is... Yeah, that is just... Let's not talk about that shit. Okay, let me see. Okay, I cannot go in. Let me go and update the quest here. I think it's back, right? Please let me know in the chat. If you're watching, please let me know. Okay, yeah, we are that quest, the right one. I shouldn't be able to go in. Stupid bug. Yeah, let's do the quick reload. But I now should be able to go in. I am on a bigger number of quests. Yeah, bigger than 2. Fuck. Why? This is the stupidest simple bug. Okay, only Hans says. Oh, yep. We hear it now. Dude, you should have told me. Because it's annoying to just be hearing to my voice. Like, I wouldn't be watching my own channel if it's just my voice. My stupid ass voice. Like, there has to be something to balance things out. It's annoying without the music, so... What the hell? Are you eating right now, people? Let's see. Let me see the stream. Yeah, stream health is good. Or please let me know if there has been like some bugs on the stream, like if there's the signal is okay, there hasn't been some audio crackling or the signal cutting sometimes, because I tweaked some settings on the streaming setup to make it more stable. Okay, so this shit is not working. Question number Beat says heading out to bed, gotta be up early tomorrow. I know, dude, I know it's late where you live. I really appreciate you coming and saying hi, dude. I hope you have a good rest of your night and keep going, dude. Keep going. Don't lose momentum. Don't lose steam, dude. Keep going, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you. Appreciate it. You can come back tomorrow and redeem some shit to make me look stupid with another avatar. I'm gonna keep adding some. I have 2 for tonight, but I'm gonna keep adding some more avatars and shit. So thank you, dude. I appreciate it. Okay, quest number. Why does the greater than? Okay, let me see. 0, 1, 2. But we are at 3 when I load the game. We are at 3, so 3 would be clean those more. Yeah, okay. Quick reload. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is 3. This is quest 3. So why is it not working? This should be simple. I don't understand why it's not. Okay. Why does the equal bigger than worked? Equal greater than worked. Why? This is not quest 2, so... Only Hans is Grimeshine laughing at me. Because these are not the type of bugs he is squashing. These are rookie type of bugs. Okay. Yeah, we're at that quest. That is correct. So now nothing works. Okay. Okay, let me try and save the game again. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Raider. Then 2 again. Yeah, I'm gonna resave, like just to refresh it. Grimeshin says, lol. No, I'm not laughing at you, but print the quest number to string so you can confirm it's actually on number 3. It is. You'll see. Okay, let's print it. Okay. We're gonna print it here. Like, no bullshit. Print string debug p, and this one's gonna be, you'll see, dude. I'm not making shit up. Why are you accusing me of these serious matters of being stupid with Unreal Engine? Grimes says if that doesn't work, less equal 4 instead of, yeah. Okay, let's try that. Yeah. Okay, you'll see. Let me load. Let's do a quick reload. And if we press P, no. Oh yeah, I'm doing it where I should not be doing it. Yeah, we're gonna do it here. Okay. Yeah. Ad break. Servicio al cliente. YouTube says in Spanish. Salvaje se ve ese juego. ¿Cuántos años llevas desarrollándolo? Hey, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo vas? Gracias por preguntar. Gracias por el juego. Gracias. Me alegra que te guste. Ya llevo, serían como 4 años. So, servicio al cliente just asked in YouTube, how long have I been playing on the game? For the people on Twitch. So I just translated the message and I said it would be, yeah, like around 4 years already. Yeah. I hate asking that question because it makes me feel like it's too long. Yeah, talking about years and not months does make it look overwhelming and shit. You just don't want to think about it. Servicio al cliente, ¿cómo encontraste el stream? Ya habías visto algo sobre el juego. So I just asked, how did they find the stream and did they know about the game previously? Okay, let me see. Get game instance. Game is okay. We are gonna get quest number. I'm printing here. Okay. It'll be 3, dude. I know it's gonna be 3. What? Yeah. That is some simple ass stupid math that I just don't get why it's not working. Yeah. Let's try it. Okay, let's see. Quick reload. And P3. There it is. It's on it's on 3. Check it out, Grime Shine. Servicio al cliente says in YouTube, I looked for indie devs from Honduras and found you. It's really, really cool. Gracias, servicio al cliente por el comentario. Qué buena onda. ¿Hace cuánto encontraste sobre el juego? Me da curiosidad. ¿Lo viste en algún evento? ¿O cómo fue la onda? Qué buena onda, gracias. Ojalá pueda jugar el demo ahí, dejarme un review. Graham says in Twitch, so if it's gonna be 3, it won't work because you said greater than 3, change it to no, I was saying if it's 3, it is already greater than 2, right? The quest number is greater than 2. That is the condition. It's already true. So if it's already true. What the fuck isn't doing what I am wanting it to do? Because this is 3. It's greater than these 2. It's simple, dude. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Yeah. So do you get me now? Change it to greater equal. Okay, let's try greater equal. The thing is that greater equal, it's tricky because you shouldn't be able to go in if we are on 2. Oh, so you're saying greater equal 3? Okay, let's try that one. Okay, right now it's gonna let me in because we are on 3, I suppose. Yeah, we're debug the branch and make sure it's returning true. Yeah, okay, let's see. We're on 3 right now. It should let me go in because we are, yeah, on 3. There it is. We are on 3. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna fucking shoot at this monitor, dude. What the fuck is my shotgun? I'm fucking shooting this computer. Okay. Yeah. Did you see that shit? Okay, let me see. Why? But what the fuck? It's not working. Let's see. We're gonna figure it out. It's a very simple problem, Grimeshine. It's just gonna make me look more stupid than I am. Okay. Okay. Let's see. The door fucking open. It should say this when we load the game. It didn't say it. It didn't say it. Okay, so yeah. Let me see if this is even printing shit. Okay, yeah, it is printing shit. Yeah. You were right. Debugging the branch, and because the branch isn't doing what it should be doing. Okay. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna put it on true and false just to like see the text. To see. Okay, door is fucking open. There it is. Let's try false. The door is fucking open. That is correct. Now, change it back here. I go and load the quest, which is equal or bigger than 3, because it's 3. No, the door is... What the fuck, dude? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop here and think. This is a simple ass stupid solution to a stupid ass problem. Okay. The music stopped. Okay, let me restart it. We're gonna chill with the music while we try to figure out that shit. That is some bullshit. Unreal Engine. I don't get it. Yeah, now it's 0. Graham says, sorry, I went downstairs. Did the branch end up working? The branch does show the bug. Yeah, it does show the bug, but yeah, it's not printing what it should be printing, so the true is not happening. I do not understand why the true is not happening if it's a very fucking simple thing, man. Okay, see. Okay, yeah, it's number 3. Dude, why? See, it does show the false, so it does know when it's false. Yeah, the branch is working on the false but not on the true. So when this condition is false, it does print it. More print string to do. It sounds like, yeah, it does sound like that shit, dude. You know how it is. I just want... Oh yeah, this is just crazy. Okay, we're gonna... The door is not open, right? And we're gonna put this one. The door is open. There it is. Is this some kind of race condition bullshit like all the bugs I encounter? I'm gonna add a delay there, Grimeshine. And if that delay fucking fixes it, you're gonna have to call me the delay king from now on. Okay, the door is not open. There it is. It's printing. Like, it's not on quest 3. You'll see. It works. So this may be a race condition type of shit, because it's not loading the data quickly enough from when it's loading the game. We are gonna do 1 second. You'll see now. It's gonna work. I told you, I am the delay king. It is gonna work. Okay, let's see. Quick reload. And the door is open. See, motherfucker? I am the delay king. It was a race fucking condition. Dude, what the fuck? I cannot go in. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, it works. It works, dude. It works. I had disconnected the node. I knew it. It was not a more print stringing. It was a delay stringing type of thing. Dude, thank God for delays. This game would not exist if it weren't for delay nodes. I am the delay king. Where is Yanimal when we're talking about delays? There it is. Check it out. There it fucking is. It was a race condition. Not the first time that it happens to me. Yeah, not the first time. You know these people? Crime Shine, Only Hands. People watching on Twitch or YouTube. Do you know this guy? The one I'm talking to? Who do you think this one could be? You can figure it out on the demo. Ramsey says the stream is freezing up a bit, just the video, not the audio. Oh my god, dude. I can see that. There's a shitload of dropped frames because I am having very low bitrate. But yeah, the speed of my internet is shit tonight. Yeah, it's shit in the bed. I can see it going up and down. You are not wrong. Thanks, dude. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, we'll keep going. If it starts to turn too problematic, much of a headache, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what's up. So yeah, that's an internet problem. Cannot fix that one. Okay, so for the people watching, go and play the demo so you can figure out who this guy is. He gives us some pretty neat hints. Ramsey says it's not too bad though. It's still very watchable. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. I know my face is not that watchable, but I am happy that the stream is watchable. Okay, dude. So it was fucking race conditions, dude. It was race condition. As always. Yeah. Check it out. Yeah. There it is. Let's do the reload. So yeah, dude. What on the begin plate was happening too quickly on that actor, on that blueprint. Before it even got the value of the quest. So that's why it wasn't working. Who's that creep in the hot tub with us? You haven't figured out who's the creep? Oh, that is cool. That is cool. You haven't figured out that Easter egg. Are you for real? You haven't figured out who's the creepy guy, the weirdo? You can get it on who he is. Maybe not from how he looks because he's pixel art. He looks like the real guy, but it would be more because of the dialogue on what he's saying. He's talking about he will let me on a little secret. He's a game developer making a game about feet, and he likes to come here to the hot springs and watch other people's feet for reference. He said, "Thank you for not judging me. I will let you on another secret." Yeah, and I'll let you people figure it out. The people that are watching and haven't played the demo, go and play the demo so you can see what's up with that. Okay, so the bug is gone. As always, dude. As always. Race condition shit. Only Han says, no, we don't know who he is. Dude, I'll tell you. I'll tell you in the chat on WhatsApp or Discord. I will not say it on stream. Then I'll be like letting know people about the Easter eggs of the game. Yeah, he's looking at you people's feet. He literally is. So there's this famous game dev that is kind of obsessed with feet. Now it's really easy to figure out who it is. Okay, we fixed that. Maybe the delay is too long. I think it just needs half a second. Yeah, it doesn't need nothing crazy. Or the second. That will leave it just at the second. Yeah, half second. That's enough. Yeah, Gramscience, you got me fucked up. Why? So you cannot figure out who's the famous game developer that loves putting fit in his games? Okay, we are gonna save because that one was a headache, and I cannot believe we ended up fixing it with that stupid ass solution. Okay, yeah, so it was a loading data not quickly enough type of thing. Okay, we are good. Let's go back to the battles. So we are gonna work on some other effects. Yeah, like VFX. Ramsey says no because you made him creeping on our feet. Had to Google him, but I found him. It's a very famous one, right? You know who it is now. Yeah. It's an easy one. It's an easy one. If you know who's the one obsessed with fit, there's like two people, famous people. There's one in movies, Quentin Tarantino, right? That loves feet. And this other Japanese guy. You better not give him a snorkel. Why? I would give him a snorkel to see your feet up close. I would give him the snorkel. Okay, people, we are gonna work on some other VFX. Yeah, for the spaceman attacks, not the enemies, or other like shooting effects and stuff. I want to like try some different kind of things, and we are gonna work on that. Only Hans, stop laughing. He's gonna also be looking at your feet, not only Grimeshane's feet. Okay, let's see. Improve fights, VFX, articles. Let's see where we can use this. I would like to use a couple of these ones. I do not know if for the player the gun wouldn't need this, or maybe we could do some shit like this. Okay, maybe do we have a duration? No, there's not a duration for this one. It does have other attributes. Yeah, so not that one right now, because I would have to figure out how to fade it out. Yeah, so let's look at the other effects. Yo, Gramshan, you back at work in Unreal? Okay, let's see. Only Hans, are you gonna watch Mexican comedy shows or Pokemon? Dude, that is like the biggest and best decision you could make. Watch Pokemon in Spanish. It's really good in Spanish. It's one of the things I would definitely watch in Spanish. That Indigo League Pokemon, the original one. I really think it's that good, the dubbing of it. Okay, let me find other ones. Agar stylized footsteps, not that one. Stylized explosions. Maybe we could see something here. I don't know. Yeah, only Hans says, yeah, oh my god, Pokemon in Spanish is so good. I'll probably watch it after your stream if Tom lets me. You don't have to ask for permissions. You can use the TV at full volume. Like, fuck that guy. This guy is gonna fucking kick my ass. Yes, you don't need his permission to watch at full volume. Okay, where are the other effects? I've got an improved fights. Yeah. Projectile hit VFX. Only Hans says the full volume is what he hates. I know he hates the full volume. That's why I endorse the full volume. Okay, yeah, we can do some these ones, I think. Yeah, ice crystal, the venom. I don't know. Yeah, ice hike, magic lance shuriken. Let me try this magic lance shuriken. We're gonna edit it. Okay. So let's try it here. Magic lance shuriken. Okay. Yeah, this, I think this one still will look too conventional. I want to try some crazy shit that I have not tried. I know which one I'm gonna use. Yeah, the lighting. I had been using that one at the beginning of the development of the game. Let's try that one again. Yeah. Not looking bad, but let's try the lighting. Yeah, we're gonna do some lighting effect. Big ass lighting effect. I'll find it. That one is cool. That one is cool. Yeah. No, let me see. I know where this is. This one is in stylized VFX, stylized explosions. Let me see. What do we have here on the anime one? Do we have something interesting? Launch projectile. Yeah, we're using this one already. Lighting cast. Lighting hit. Okay, yeah. This is another. No. We're using this one for the Afuras. Yes. Let me see. Spawn attribute. Yeah, blueprints. EP Hill. What does this one do? Fan A. Why isn't it doing anything? Oh yeah, it's in begin play. I am fucking stupid. Yeah. This is not a Niagara effect. This is a blueprint. Oh, okay. That is what that one is doing. No, that is not what we need. So, electric projectile. No, this is spawn splash. Spawn explosion. How was I? Spawn. Like, how was I doing that in the past? Was I just spawning the effect? I wasn't using a blueprint. Spawn. Electric hit. No. I think I was just spawning the effect, which would be this one. Which one would it be? EP emitter laser. What is this? Is this from the advanced laser system? Yeah, this is not it. Why did we have one of those? Okay, let's see what's up with this one. I think I'm looking for a laser. That's the shit I'm looking for. Yo, let me see. I should have enabled something here. Okay, we are good. Yeah, let's go back. Let's see what's up with the laser. I have not used laser attacks. Oh, what? What the fuck is that? Check that out. I can see the laser. Yeah, we're gonna have to go inside that blueprint. Yeah, okay, please, lasers, 02. 60 seconds. Does this one only happen when we go into gameplay? It does, or not? So how does that one work? Is it 0? Okay, there it is. Yeah, that's the kind of thing we want. Remember this one. Yeah, being a headache. Yeah, like visually, it is what I'm looking for. Yeah, what's up with the animation? What does this stop effect do? Stop it. And yeah, Crimson says I'm just cloning the project onto my Mac right now, about to test, see if it works. Oh, with the new plugin? Hell yeah, dude. I hope it works. I hope it does work. So you just disabled the plugin that was problematic for the Mac OS Unreal Engine? Yeah, I hope it works, dude, so you can work on the go. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is the laser we need. Let's check out that blueprint. Blueprint for laser. What is laser wall, dude? What is even that? Oh, not bad. I don't know where I'm gonna use that shit, but I am gonna use that shit somewhere. I hadn't seen that blueprint. Ramsey says, yeah, I'm removing it. Hell yeah, dude. I hope it works. I'm rooting for this to work, so we can lie to ourselves, bring our computers, go on a trip to El Salvador and lie to ourselves that we're gonna work on our computers there. So you may as well make it work, so we can go and lie to ourselves again with that bullshit. Okay, yeah. What is that shit doing? This is some crazy shit happening here. Level, what is this doing? Yeah, maybe we can edit this one. Let's analyze what this is doing. Weapon movement. We are gonna disconnect this. We're gonna get rid of the weapon, but maybe we can edit it. Okay. No more weapon movement. And also no more weapon mesh. Okay. And this one. Okay, basically does the same thing, right? But now I can generate with the laser. Does it need a rotation? Maybe. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. I gotta like figure out how to kill laser, how to fade it out. I'm gonna have to like do that out of the stream, not on the stream, because I don't understand how that specific Niagara effect works, and I have to sit down and dissect it to see how it works. Okay. There it comes. Does the laser work? Oh, it works. It comes up late. Only Hanses wanna smoke a blunt with us right now in Seattle. Dude, I'd get on a plane right now to Seattle. I would. I totally would. Okay, this is weird. I can see the laser. I'm sorry for the ad break, people on Twitch. Okay. Yo, dude, did you see my shirt? Talking about Seattle. This is not working. Blah, 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 blah. Let's see. That is a headache type of laser, dude. Do I have another laser? That is not that one. Yeah, laser, advanced laser system. Yeah, not that one. That is for something else. I gotta get rid of a lot of these assets that shouldn't be here. No, I don't know. Yeah, where? Pretty sure I had some lasers somewhere else because this one seems like it's a headache to manage. Only Hans says yes, love the shirt. Meant to say something earlier today too. Yeah, I was just wearing it. I think I wore it yesterday night. I removed it and I just want to use it again today because it wasn't stinky yet. It's gonna be stinky after the stream. Okay, let's see, dude. What is this shit doing? What is this shit even doing? Like, why is the laser pointing to some random place? It's not 90 degrees. That rotation. Like, yeah. Okay. Okay, let me undo so we can save some stuff here. What is this undoing? I'm undoing, but I cannot see what it's undoing. Oh, it's on the level, I think, right? Shit, dude, I should have done it on a copy of this function. Okay, there it is. Let's copy this one here. And we're gonna do the spawn system application. Maybe it's the blueprint that has some tricky stuff. Makes it a headache. -90. And what about that one? I don't know. Maybe that one works. It is not for that laser. That is for the puzzle system that we're using. Maybe it works for guns. Because that one visually does look cool. Maybe it works for guns. Let's see that again. Okay, this one. No, it's not working. No, not doing anything. Laser. So it would be this one, the one we're using. If not, we're gonna go with lightings and then we can figure out lasers. That sounds like a headache. Yeah. No, those are the lasers we have, so I gotta figure out these ones. Okay, we're getting somewhere. What the I do not get this laser, dude. There it is. Yeah, there it is. I do not get why it's not a straight line. How is it built? But there it is. Yeah, we're gonna get there. Let's figure it out. That one is the laser 02. So that one's in this one. Let me see. We're on laser 03. Yo, Gramshine, did the project open? I hope it did. Okay, let's see. You can see what the fuck is this end? Oh, that is the length. That is the length. What about this? Shit, this is a headache. She says not yet, but I fucked something up. I'll try again. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah. You're getting closer. If you're fucking things up and they're getting broken, you're getting closer to making it work. Okay. This changes the rotation on that angle. Okay, instead of doing that shit there, I should do it here. Why is it not a straight fucking line? That is not a straight line, yeah. What is this? What does that do? I don't even know what that setting does. That's the perfect setting. What about negative numbers? No, it doesn't do anything. It just seems like it has to stay at 0. Okay, this is not a straight line. I can see how the effect works. Yeah, it can be a long ass laser, so. But if it hits something, does it still reverse it? It does still reverse it. It's not like lighting in a way. Ramsey says I just cloned the wrong branch is all. Oh yeah, that happens. It's good that you're doing the branches and the commits and everything, so if you fuck it up, you can go back. Dude, it's crazy. A lot of people start making games, they don't know the concept of version control and go into building stuff without version control. That to me is like jumping out of a plane without a parachute. It's that insane. Okay, how does this shit work, dude? I like this shit visually, but the effect is just built in an insane way. Dynamic beam, start effect. Yeah. Loop duration 0.3. I'm just thinking. If I just go quiet, it's because I'm just thinking and I don't know what to do. Let's see. Okay, maybe let's see if we can try to get it from this one. Laser damage, laser template, laser communication. Okay, let me delete this. Ramsey says it works, sort of. Oh, the project, but I remember that my dismembered component doesn't work on Mac. Ah, shit. So this totally killed the idea of working now on the project on Mac. Like, it's dead. Like, without that, it just doesn't work, I suppose, right? Yeah, dude. That sucks. That really sucks. Yo, what's this? Okay, let me see what. Oh, okay, I can see that. I can see that. The laser. Okay, maybe this one. BP laser template 02. Yeah. Spawn. Actor from class. BP laser template 01. Now you'll disable the dismemberment 2 until I absolutely need it. It's just a small detail. Okay, yeah, so just to make progress, it just makes more sense to disable that one. Yeah, because that is a complex functionality, right? That you can procrastinate and work on more important stuff until you can get back to dismemberment and make your game gory. Okay. Laser template, yeah. Okay, let's delete that. See, let's see if it needs any rotation. I suppose it should be 90 degrees, or we'll see how it's set up. Okay, there it is. Ah, yeah, 90 degrees. Why is it coming late? It does come late, this shit. There's not a delay there. Yeah, there's no. Is the blueprint just set up in that place? So it. Oh yeah, it's a blueprint. Yeah. Okay, we are gonna duplicate this one. Okay, here's the delay. Yeah. Yeah, it's on the blueprint. Okay. Okay, let's go back here. And we're gonna do -90 on that one. Yeah, this should work now. In theory. In stupid theory, it should. Oh, that is not the blueprint. Yeah, laser. Template. 02. Okay, this is the one. We're gonna do blue laser. No, we're gonna do several types of lasers. Yeah, maybe a mix of effects there. Okay, yeah, there it is. Now it works. I'm pretty sure. Yes, there it is. Now I wanna see what's up with the collider. And if we're gonna make it thicker. Yeah. Okay. What are the class defaults? Is there a setting here for that? SC laser component. Okay. Oh shit. I still remember. Okay, now let me delete this. We're gonna save. How am I doing it on the other one? Pace. Vessel. Yeah. So we're using which blueprint here? A meter laser. Where is a meter laser? Oh, it's here. And this one does let me change the laser the laser component. No. Laser diagnosis. Okay. Maybe we can just get the effect from this one. Okay. How does that one work? Okay, this one should have some kind of attribute, right? Dude, I'm tired today. Shit. I am not feeling smooth. So I didn't sleep well last night. I can feel me being slow tonight. Yeah. Not like Friday and Thursday when I was on the stream. Yo, how long has been it? 1 hour and 22 minutes. I may go leave the stream tonight at 2 hour mark because I am feeling like shit. And I will just come recharge tomorrow. Yeah, I did not have good sleep. Okay, let's see. Dude, why don't you happen? So it does. Yeah, it does appear here in the preview. Okay, let's see how it looks again. The one we've got right now. Yeah, it didn't get one of those. Wrong timing. We've got a new kappa, as you can see. Worked on that one in the weekend. Okay, there it is. That's the one we needed. I'm trying to make enemies more evil. At least the ones that not look evil enough. Some of them were from a while ago and they didn't look too menacing, I would say. We want them to look like something you would be afraid of, not something you would want to talk to. But the ones that are not hostiles are still I'm gonna try to make them cute. The ones that are enemies should not look cute. Okay. Yeah, fuck the lasers. Let's try the lighting. Yeah. We'll come back to that shit later. We're gonna do one system. Yeah, let's see. Lighting cone. Yeah, one of these ones. I remember using these ones. I remember them from the first trailers of Spaceman Memories, and I stopped using them for some reason. Okay, let me see. E and S lighting cone 1. Okay, yeah, there it is. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it in play. Yeah, rotation. Wrong rotation. Okay. What's this? This one. Okay. It's there. Does it repeat? It doesn't. So it's set up correctly. Seems like a lot. Yeah, like not precise enough for my taste. Oh, we could do it and add another hit effect to the enemy. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, let's duplicate this one. We're gonna leave this one as the backup. Let's go here. Yeah, we're gonna play around with the hit effect so it feels more precise when it hits the enemy. Okay, so what's happening here? So if it's got a shield, yeah, we're gonna do electric hit. Electric. Turn electric hit, yeah. Maybe this one's snaking hit. We could try 2 type of electric hits. Oh, electric big explosion. I think I'm already using this one. Electricity hit. Yeah, this one. Let's see what's up. We'll be going back and forth, tweaking this one. This is gonna be a crazy type of attack, like not much of a common type of card. This type of electric attack. This is just a placeholder. It's definitely not gonna be that card. This is just for testing purposes. Okay. Not bad. I can see the hit now, so it does look like the enemy is getting hurt. Maybe that cone is too wide. Maybe there's another one which the cone is smaller. No, it does seem like that is the one that is more chill. Yeah, because these other ones look crazy, like too crazy. Like, let's check out that one. Okay, that one is like infinite. So this one, no, it's too crazy. It's too crazy. The cone is too big, too wide. It's too insane. Yeah, this one looks too insane. See, all of the other ones look like they're too crazy. What is lightning blast? No, this is from other pack that I should delete. Lighting cast. No, this one I know which one it is. Yeah, this one's not stylish enough. I remember this one. Maybe sometimes I just like to try shit. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. What? No, fuck that. What is that? No, we're gonna have to go with the other lighting cone. Let's try to see what's up here with the effect. There must be like some scatter type of thing here that we can tweak. Location, cone angle, cone axis. Maybe this cone angle. What this? 82. This doesn't do anything. See, okay, yeah, it kind of does something. Okay, let's try it again. Oh yeah, yeah, it looks better. Hell yeah, it does look better. Yeah, because the cone angle was too wide, up and down. Yeah, now it does feel like more precise hit on the enemy. Yeah, let's check it out again. Yeah, that's the one we were looking for. Let's see the timing of the hit. Let's see what's up with that. Yeah, it's correct. I also like the timing of the hit. Hell yeah. Yeah, we've got another animation for that one. I would like to figure out the laser, but that's gonna be one that I'm gonna have to sit down by myself. That's gonna be a slow process. So I don't want to do it on the stream. Let's see about other effects we can use from this pack. Only Hans says hell yeah. Yeah, hell yeah, dude. I didn't think I was gonna like find the right version of that lighting effect I was looking for, but it does look interesting. It doesn't necessarily have to be a normal type of effect. It's gonna be not an easy card to get. So yeah, it can be a crazy one from time to time. The players can have availability of that one. Okay, let's see. This one. Sorry about the ad break. Those are automatic from Twitch. What the hell does this? I am intrigued by this shit. How does this even work? And it goes through meshes. Yeah, it doesn't have like a collider. The blueprint one does have a collider, I think. And why is it rotated in an angle? I am intrigued by it. Because it's not built in a practical way to use. It doesn't have good user parameters. Yeah, maybe I'll have to build a laser from scratch. It shouldn't be complicated, I suppose, that one, but we're gonna leave it for later. What does this do? Okay, let's get rid of this one. No, it doesn't do anything, that one. Like to, oh yeah, this is a projectile. Yeah, I'm stupid. Energy ball. I am gonna use this one at some point. I don't know where. Maybe not for attacks, but I do like the effect. Or something. I don't know what, but something. Let's see what we can get. Yeah, dude, I feel my brain being slow. Okay, let's see. No, there's nothing here for that. What I'm thinking. Maybe the improved ones. I don't even know what I'm looking for right now. We are cooked, chat. Like literally, my brain is cooked. Dude, I'm gonna go. I am not focusing right now. Yeah, I may be tired because I didn't sleep well. So at this point in the night, I thought I would feel better, but I do not. I am cooked. Yeah, I am cooked, only hands. You can see my level of energy. It's not the normal one. I really thought at this time of the night I would still feel pumped. I do not feel pumped, and I can feel it in my mind that I don't know what I'm thinking. I am not clear-headed right now. So yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Tonight is not the night for me to work. Yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, get some real good night's sleep tonight, and we'll come back tomorrow. Yeah, and keep having fun. Thank you to anyone still watching on YouTube. Thank you to my dear friends still on Twitch. I appreciate it. Also, you have a good night. We'll keep talking. Only hands, and thank you. I appreciate it. if you're watching, anyone watching on YouTube, Twitch, or Steam, if you're on Steam, because this stream is also going to Steam, please add the game to your wish list. I would really, really appreciate it. That would mean a lot to me. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Yeah, I promise. Coming back tomorrow with a better energy, a better brain, because we are cooked tonight, chat. Have a good night. Thank you.